post from someone in Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is here you can see in under your profile picture in the and this writing this writing stuff, you can see the photo. You have to click on the photo and then allow access to your camera roll, and then I allow it, and then here you can see all the photos. So what you have to do, if you choose this photo and then click on the next, and then what you have to do is you in the public, you can see the here you can see the under your username only me, you have to click on the only me, and here you can choose the friends accept, and here you can choose all the friends that you don't want to see the post, and you can choose all the friends that you hide the post from hide the post from those friends, and you can choose all the friends, and here you can see I have only 4 friends, but you have way more than friends. So you have to click choose all the friends that you want to don't see the post, it means hide the post from those friends, and then when you choose select all the friends, then you have to click on the done, and then you have to click on the done, and here you can see the, and here you have to, what you have to do is you can also edit it, and then you have to click on the post, and now you have posted your photos, and when and your the friends you have and here you can see the your post was shared, and the people you choose can't see your post. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I will see you next time. Have a good day.